So let's have a look at SUAP. Okay, I'm going to be walking you through how to use the platform. I could recall that we had an AMA session with them about 2 months ago on the Crypto Niche Telegram channel, and quite a number of people have been asking questions on how to use it. A lot of people signed up on the platform, but not many people are able to use it, even though the platform is quite simple to use. So this is the home page. If you sign up, okay, if you sign up with my invite link that you will find in the video description or in the comment box, you are going to be receiving, I think, 100 SUAP coin. Okay, but if you sign up without that link, you receive nothing. All right, so you want to take advantage of that and sign up under my invite link and use that to receive that SUAP coin. So this is the dashboard right here. This is the end swap. If you want to end swap with your invite link, you can also invite your loved ones. Okay, then you get paid if you do just that. All right. So if you come here, you see how it works. You probably want to watch the video of the CEO, which is the CEO. This is the space right here. Okay, then you go back to the home page. Okay, this is the home page right here. Okay, then the next one to do is just to create an account. It's a simple process. The way you create an account on Binance, on KuCoin, on several other exchanges, that's the exact way you create account on SUAP. Okay, so once you click on the invite link in the description or in the comment box, then to take you right there to this page. Then you create your account. So I already have an account on the platform, and I don't intend to have multiple accounts on the platform because you might actually be violating the platform rules by creating multiple accounts for yourself. So I'm going to click on the dashboard. Okay, from the dashboard, you will see that the prices of those assets have been displayed. You see the USDT here, and the Bitcoin, BNB, Ethereum, Solana, they're all here. Okay, and of course, they have fixed prices for now. But there are sometimes you check on your dashboard and you see a couple of differences, like it could be sold for 1,650 for USDT, then you see Bitcoin around 1,651.52. That's a slight difference. Okay. So, and that is affected by demand and supply, isn't it? So you see, sell crypto is here. This is my name right here. Okay. Transaction is zero because I'm yet to sell to the platform. You cannot buy crypto from them. You can only sell crypto to them and receive Naira. This is similar to how works in those days. So next, the first you want to do is to, after signing up, is to set up your payout accounts. Okay, you can add new bank account if you want. Okay, you can see this is my account. I can even delete it. Okay, let me delete it. Uh, and delete. Let me see. Okay, I want to delete the account. Okay, it says delete or edit. Okay, I can even edit if I want, or I can even add new bank accounts. All right, come here. Just search for your bank right here. Any bank of your choice. Okay, if you're using yeah, let me say you're using like Sterling Bank, for instance, where is Sterling Bank, or you're using Go Money or Kuda. Okay, just come here, put your account number here. Your account name will be displayed here, or you can even type it here. Then set as default if you want, or if you add it, let me even add it now. Um, Let me add an account. Okay, and let's see the response. Okay, this is access again. Okay, let me say 0729. Okay, this is it will bring out the account name because they have access to the API of the Nigerian Interbank Service. All right, so you can say okay, save. All right, you can see okay, it's been saved already. All right, but because it is still the same account, it will not be added as a new account. All right, so first thing first, once you're signed in, you don't have to go through any KYC. There's no KYC here. All right, because your account balance, your local bank account is your own KYC automatically. You get it now. So this is the payout settings. Go there right there and add the account where you want to receive your funds should be there. So the next thing is to go to sell crypto. Okay, I'll go to sell crypto now. And I'll click on this. Sell crypto. Oh, sorry. Let me, yeah. So I will select assets I want to sell. I want to sell USDT. Okay. Which network I want to use TRS20. Okay, because of the low fee. All right. So we said the amount. Let's say I want to sell like 54. Okay. Let me see. Let me confirm that. Okay, I want to sell 54, for instance. Then I'll come here and say, okay, this is the calculated amount of it. Okay, that is 54 multiplied by this amount you are seeing right here. Can you see it? So then I'll select the account for payout, which is this account for payout. Okay, then I'm going to come here and generate wallet. Okay, uh, set wallet address and copy to clipboard. Okay, this is an address. Okay, so I'm going to be sending to this address particularly. Let me just scan it. Okay, I think scanning will be faster. Just give me a few moments, please. Let me send to this address. So I've been able to send money to this address. Okay, and I'll probably wait for it to be sent out of my um, wallet address. So I sent from my broker. Okay, and I expect that it should go as fast as possible because that's exactly how they do it. So yeah, let's wait. I will say, let me just type CRC here. CRC 20. It is not compulsory actually. Okay. You cannot click on sell. Okay. Alright. It is now finalizing your transaction. Okay. Once it is detected, okay, this is the countdown. So once it's being detected right there, submit that transaction. Or if you have a receipt, okay, like evidence of payment, like you've actually made a transaction, then you can upload it right there. Okay, so let me try that. Let me just take a screenshot of what I did and upload it. Right. I kind of updated with the receipt from my computer. So I'm going to submit it. Okay, let me click on submit. Or maybe the kind of has like a lapse first. Yeah. So it is being submitted successfully. Then we're going to be waiting to be credited. All right. So let's wait. Let's see if the money will arrive. Okay. Once it arrives, now I'm also going to be uploading a screenshot of it so you can see that the money has finally arrived into my local bank account. So it is that easy. Like, go to the assets, type how much you want to convert, the network should be there. Automatically, this will be done for you. Okay. You have an idea of how much you're receiving in Naira equivalent. Then you select account for payout. Okay, you can add new account if you don't want this. Okay, it's quite simple and straightforward. Yeah. So you generate a wallet address for yourself. Now let me sound this warning. Once you generate a wallet address for yourself, okay, make sure that address is used within 15 minutes that it's been generated. Okay. If you generate an address now, don't copy it somewhere and keep it and say, okay, oh, if I want to send money next week, I will now send money to that address. No. Each time you want to make a transaction, go right there and generate address for yourself. And also try and refer your friends because every friend that you refer, you get paid for it. Okay, you get paid small commission for it. And these guys have a very competitive rate, if you look at that. And the other advantage is that they are registered in Nigeria. Okay, they are registered with the authorities in Nigeria, and you have assurance, that your money is safe. Okay, it's safe. So that is one. And also, you don't fall victim of scams on P2P markets, maybe WhatsApp P2P markets, Telegram P2P markets. You don't fall victim of scams. I've had cases of people that received bad money. Now, when I say bad money, people steal money. Okay, they steal money, then they now convert the money they stole in Naira. They convert the money uh, to crypto. Okay, then after that, they take the crypto to platforms and sell on WhatsApp and Telegram. Okay, so then you now give them a good money. All right. So in that case, it becomes difficult for them to trace. It becomes difficult for the authorities to trace. So if you are in crypto, okay, you need to avoid all of these things as much as possible because um, once the authority gets them, they are going to come for you. Okay, they'll come for you. They will place ban on your account. You will pay a heavy fine for that. So it just makes sense to sell to a company like this. Okay, sell to them, and you get instant payment for it. Okay, that's how to go about, because they're not really doing P2P. It is just one way traffic. You take your crypto, you sell to them. You can't buy from them. So that has already eliminated the fraud completely. Exactly. So let me check my mobile app now and see if the funds has been sent to my account. Yeah. So now let me provide some updates on my transaction and my experience with SWAP. All right. So when I made that transaction on the platform, and I had to wait for, let me check my phone. Okay. The transaction was initiated around 7:26, and it was just, let me confirm that. I have to be sure because I had a conversation with their support, not quite long. But let me confirm that, please. Let me go back to WhatsApp. Okay. So in case you find yourself in a similar situation, yeah, that money was sent around 7:58. If you do plus or minus, I had to wait for about 22 minutes. Yeah, really, no, 22 minutes is not really that long. And typically, swap doesn't take that long before they send your money to you. But here is it. Um, there is something that happened. Okay, I I don't know. For some reasons, they couldn't send money to Access Bank. Maybe they are having some network issue with them. I don't know. So what did I do? Okay, I did not panic. I did not panic because I know that these guys have been here for years. I know what they're doing. Okay, because personally, I've known their CEO for like 5 6 years now. So building a product like this is something that I really love. Okay, quite impressive. So I reached out to their support. I didn't actually contact the CEO. I didn't contact the COO, even though I have a contact on my, on my phone. I had to reach the support and test how active support is. Okay, that's an opportunity for me to test them and know how active support is. So I waited for like 5 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes I didn't see the funds, so I had to reach out to their support. Okay, and send them a message. So all you have to do basically is to click on this. Okay, if you click on this, it will automatically take you to the WhatsApp. All right, if you're on PC, you can copy this link, okay, to your WhatsApp and click on it, or you copy this number and chat with them on WhatsApp. Okay, so if and the response is quite fast, amazing, quite fast enough. So it's not like you're chatting, it's not as if you're chatting with auto respond or something. It's quite fast. So immediately I chatted with the support, then uh they checked from the back end and discovered that they couldn't send money to Access. So now the support person now requested that I had another account, which is Sterling Bank. Okay. And if you come here like this, you check payout accounts here, you see that I've been able to add Sterling Bank to it. Okay. For some reasons, Access Bank is not working. So when I made that Sterling Bank my default account right there. So, and I had to send this manually on WhatsApp because don't forget, I initiated the first withdrawal with Access Bank. So there is no way I could have changed that again on their website. That has been registered for that transaction. So, but they had to like send manually, all right, manually to me. Exactly. So in case you have any challenge with that, maybe your bank network is not that good enough, okay, and you've waited for like 10 15 minutes, your money is not arrived yet, please click on this and chat with them on WhatsApp. Okay. So it doesn't mean it is paid, it is WhatsApp to pay. No, 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 not like that. Just in case you have any challenge whatsoever, you can reach out to them. If you don't have any challenge, you can use them for the next 2 3 4 5 years and not having any need to chat with them on WhatsApp. All right. So this is the evidence of payments. You can see this is it. Okay. All right. So they delivered on promise. All right. So try them out, guys. Let me know what you think about Swap. All right. If you have any review about them, drop it in the comment box. Okay, I'd like to know what you think about them. If you've used them before and you come across this video, please let me know the challenges you have or the exciting moment for you about Swap. Don't forget you can refer your friends and earn commission on transactions. Okay, like if you refer your friends now and they complete the transaction on the platform, they give 1,000 naira. Okay, so if you refer like 200 friends and they all complete the transaction, you get like 20,000 naira. Exactly what you know. So this is even useful, especially for those of you who are in the university campus. Okay, you're into crypto. All right. So take advantage of that opportunity as much as possible. It's unlimited for now. For now, I don't know if they will stop that in the next few years. I don't know, but for now, it's quite an unlimited opportunity. Okay. So and for those of you who ask me question on WhatsApp, like maybe I own SUAP. Okay, I don't own SUAP. I don't have a platform like SUAP yet. Okay, obviously, but I love what they are doing, and I'm a Pan-Africanist. Everything when things come from Africa, I love them. And if I see that there is a genuine there's a level of genuinity behind that concept. I love to support as much as I can. That's one thing about me. So if you're building a project for Africans, if you're building a project for Africa, even if you're in even if you're in diaspora or in Africa, just reach out to me. If it's something that looks genuine, and legitimate enough, I'm gonna talk about it. Okay. So let me know. So bye and have a great day. Okay. Bye. And also, if you like this review, this conversation, don't forget to I won't forget to say that. I almost forgot that. So don't forget to subscribe, okay, hit the like button, and turn on your notification for more and more videos like this. Bye and have a great day.